Let me guess, you're earning just enough to survive, but never enough to feel safe. Every month feels tight, one unexpected expense, and everything breaks. Payday comes in, and disappears just as fast. And you've probably told yourself, if I just made more money, everything would be fine. But that's not actually the problem. You don't feel stuck because your income is low. You feel stuck because you don't have a system. Because there are people earning the same as you, who are slowly building stability. Not because they're smarter, but because they follow a different structure. In this video, I'll show you 10 practical strategies to build wealth, even on a low income. No hype, no shortcuts, just systems that actually work. Strategy 1. Pay yourself first. Most people do this. They get paid, pay bills, spend what's left, and save whatever remains. That doesn't work. Here's the shift. Pay yourself first. The moment money comes in, move a portion out. Even if it's small, do this today. Take 5% to 10% of your income. Move it immediately into a separate account. Not later, not, if possible, first. This isn't about the amount. It's about building the habit of ownership. Strategy 2. Track every dollar. If you don't track your money, you don't control it. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a visibility problem. Money isn't disappearing, it's leaking. Food delivery, subscriptions, small daily spending. It adds up fast. Do this today. Track every expense for the next 7 days. Use notes, app, anything. Don't guess, write it down. This is where control begins. Strategy 3. Cut without feeling miserable. This is not about extreme sacrifice. It's about removing low-value spending. You don't need to cut everything. Just cut what doesn't actually improve your life. Do this today. Identify 2 to 3 things you spend on weekly. Remove or reduce them. That creates margin, and margin creates options. Strategy 4. Live below your means. If your lifestyle grows with your income, you'll always feel broke. The goal is simple. Keep your life cheaper than it could be. That difference becomes your advantage. Do this today. Avoid upgrading lifestyle when income increases. Keep expenses stable, not expanding. This is how you create long-term leverage. Strategy 5. Build a second income stream. One income is a risk. You don't need a second job. You need something small that brings in extra money consistently. Examples: freelance work, selling simple digital products, basic online services. Nothing complicated. Do this today. Pick one skill you can monetize. Start small, even $50 to $100 extra matters. This is how you reduce dependence. Strategy 6. Make your money hard to touch. If your money is easy to access, you will spend it. Not because you're weak, because it's too easy. So change the system. Do this today. Open a separate account, different bank if possible, no card. No easy access. Auto transfer money there every payday. Out of sight equals untouched. Strategy 7. Start investing small. Most people wait to invest. That's why they never start. You don't need a lot. You need consistency. Do this today. Start with any amount you can afford. Even small, but consistent. This is not about quick returns. It's about building the habit of ownership. Strategy 8. Avoid debt that doesn't pay you back. Not all debt is equal. But most people use debt for things that lose value. That keeps them stuck. Do this today. Avoid buying things on EMI if they don't generate income. Reduce unnecessary credit usage. Debt should not control your future. Strategy 9. Keep your lifestyle quiet. Trying to look successful is expensive. Real progress is quiet. The less you try to impress, the easier it is to build. Do this today. Stop upgrading for appearance. Focus on building, not showing. This removes pressure. Strategy 10. Automate everything. You will not stay consistent forever. That's normal, so don't rely on motivation. Build systems. Do this today. Automate savings. Automate investments. Automate bills. Once set up, it runs without you. You don't need a high income to start building wealth. You need structure. Most people stay stuck because they wait for more money, for the right time, for motivation. The 2026 crisis isn't an ending, it's a reshuffling. The gap is widening, but it is still crossable. You don't need a higher income to start. You need a strategy that the system cannot break. Stop seeking security in a job that views you as an expense. Start seeking sovereignty in a system you own. The masterclass is over, the execution begins now. What is the one word that describes who you are becoming today? Drop it in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Start small, stay consistent. If this helped you think differently about money, subscribe. Because this channel is about building real systems, not just talking about success.